Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're talking about airport conversations.
That's exciting. I always feel a little nervous at airports.
Don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to speak confidently at the airport.
Really? Even if it's my first international trip?
Absolutely. We'll practice real conversations that people use every day.
Great. Where do we begin?
Let's imagine you just arrived at the airport entrance.
Okay, what should I do first?
First, you check your ticket and passport.
Then I go to the check-in counter?
Exactly.
What can I say?
You can say, "Hello, I'd like to check in for my flight."
Let me try. Hello, I'd like to check in for my flight.
Perfect. Nice and clear.
That sounds easier than I expected.
Great. Let's continue in the next part. Welcome back. Now you're standing at the check-in counter.
I feel a little nervous. What should I say first?
Just smile and say, "Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight."
Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight.
Excellent. The airline staff may ask, "May I see your passport, please?"
Then I can say, sure, here you are.
Perfect. They might also ask, "Do you have any bags to check?"
If I have one suitcase, I can say, yes, I have one suitcase.
That's right. What if I only have a backpack?
You can say, no, I only have a carry-on bag. No, I only have a carry-on bag.
Very good. Next, they may ask, "Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?"
I'd like a window seat, please.
Great choice. Or you can say, "An aisle seat, please."
That's easy to remember.
Finally, the staff will hand you your boarding pass.
What should I say?
Simply say, "Thank you very much."
Thank you very much.
Excellent. You're doing a great job. In the next part, we'll go through airport security and learn more useful English for your journey. Welcome back. You've checked in and received your boarding pass. Now it's time for airport security.
I've heard security can be a little stressful.
It doesn't have to be. Just listen carefully and follow the instructions.
What might the security officer say?
They may say, "Please place your bag on the conveyor belt."
Please place your bag on the conveyor belt.
Very good. They might also say, "Please remove your laptop and your liquids."
Okay, I'll take them out of my bag.
Excellent. Then they may say, "Please walk through the scanner."
Please walk through the scanner.
Perfect. If the alarm doesn't sound, you're ready to go.
And if they need to check my bag?
Stay calm. You can simply say, "Of course, no problem."
Of course, no problem.
Great. Now let's take a short break before we continue.
I'm ready.
Remember, every fluent English speaker started as a beginner. Don't worry about making mistakes. Every conversation helps you improve. Speak a little every day, even if it's only for a few minutes. Confidence grows with practice, not perfection. Keep learning, keep speaking, and celebrate every small improvement. One day, you'll use English naturally without even thinking about it.
That really makes me feel more confident.
I'm glad to hear that. In the next part, we'll practice conversations at the boarding gate and on the airplane. Welcome back. You've passed security and now you're at the boarding gate.
I'm getting closer to my flight.
That's right. First, check the gate number on your boarding pass.
What if I'm not sure where my gate is?
You can ask, "Excuse me, where is gate 12?
Excuse me, where is gate 12?
Excellent. The airport staff might say, "Go straight, then turn left."
Okay, go straight, then turn left.
Perfect. Soon you'll hear an announcement. We are now boarding flight 305.
That means it's time to get on the plane, right?
Exactly. Walk to the gate and show your boarding pass.
What can I say to the staff?
You can simply say, "Good afternoon."
Good afternoon.
Very nice. After you get on the airplane, a flight attendant may greet you with, "Welcome aboard."
Then I can say thank you.
That's perfect. If you need help finding your seat, you can ask, "Could you help me find my seat, please?"
Could you help me find my seat, please?
Excellent pronunciation. The flight attendant will be happy to help you.
I already feel much more comfortable speaking English at the airport.
That's wonderful. In the final part, we'll practice conversations during the flight, after landing, and review everything you've learned today. Welcome to the final part. You're on the airplane now.
I can't believe it. I'm finally traveling.
That's exciting. A flight attendant may ask, "Would you like something to drink?"
I can answer, yes, please. I'd like some water.
Excellent. Or you can simply say, "No, thank you."
That's easy to remember.
After the flight lands, listen for the announcement, "Welcome to New York. Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is off."
Then I wait until it's safe to leave the plane.
Exactly. After that, follow the signs to baggage claim.
What if I can't find my suitcase?
You can ask, "Excuse me, where is the baggage claim area?"
Excuse me, where is the baggage claim area?
Perfect. If your luggage is missing, you can say, "I can't find my suitcase. Could you help me, please?"
I can't find my suitcase. Could you help me, please?
Very well done. You've learned many useful airport expressions today.
I feel much more confident now. I think I can speak English at the airport without being too nervous.
That's wonderful to hear. Remember, confidence comes from practice. Every sentence you speak makes you stronger and more comfortable. Don't wait for the perfect moment to speak English. Use it whenever you have the chance, at the airport, in a cafe, while traveling, or even at home. Keep practicing every day. Believe in yourself and enjoy the learning journey. Small steps today will lead to big success tomorrow.
Thank you for practicing with me today.
Thank you for joining us. We hope this lesson helps you travel with confidence. Keep speaking English every day, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a safe trip.